What's up, you guys? So I wanted to do this video on now that I have the 35s and what I had to do this time on the plus 25 offset wheels methods that I have. So they fit perfectly with any kind of collar lift in the front, and this is like a 2.5 or something, 2.25 inch. But it does rub a little bit, you guys. Not bad at all. But yeah, I'll show you right here. So in the front of the tire, it does stick out. Now it goes in like this right here, but stock it's sticking out about this far, the felt. And I had to trim this right here. So you got to take off this bolt, and there's like a tab that sticks out right here. Here's that piece in the front bumper I told you guys about. Makes the liner stick way out, and now it doesn't. But yeah, if you could see that, it's pretty much on there like this. All you do is fold it back and forth, and it comes right off. And then obviously then you relocate that bolt from the felt. It pulls everything in perfectly in the front. Doesn't rub at all now, which is nice. No issues there. And in the back right here, there's a piece that right here, it comes down to about like right here. And whenever you do a slight turn, it would rub. So what's nice is you could actually bend it in. Let me show you if you could see that. See how I bent that in? You can do it by hand. It's not hard. You can't even tell like something was done, and unless you see stock, it hangs down to about right here. But yeah, all you do, you'll see right where this crease is, and then all you do is fold it in, and it's all good. No cracks in the paint, nothing from doing it. It's just I got this little crease right here. It's not bad, but I'm not rubbing at all now. No issues. And I just thought it was worth mentioning for you guys that want to do 35s on the plus 25 offset wheels. Not a crazy poke, which is good. Just on a plus 25, I didn't think it was gonna rub. On the stock wheels with 35s, it doesn't rub, but that's like a plus, I think, 55 or plus 65 offset. And the plus 25, brings it out more. And yeah, you just have to trim again a little bit in the front. Just bend that in, and you're done. And yeah, you guys know, take out the crash plate that was here, and no issues. Go off-roading, doesn't rub, nothing. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Check out links in the description code. And yeah, we got Athena and Covey still. You guys haven't seen them in a bit. But yeah, thanks for watching.